Risky, risky, yes, your body risky.
Risky.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Delia C and today I am back with another video. So today's video will be on this look right here. It's like a neutral eyes with a pop of color. In this video I did like two option with the lips, so you can choose which one you want to wear. If you want to wear like a pinkish nude or also this bold red lips right here. I am feeling it. Before I get into this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below and click that notification bell so whenever I upload a video you guys will be notified. With that being said, let's get into this tutorial. So guys, as always, my brows are done off camera and I just gonna take a concealer, LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm just gonna apply it on my eyelids and blend that out. So now I'm going to take my Morphe 350 palette, Nature Glow, and I'm going to take that brown color, Wannabe, and I will put that all over my eyelids. So now I am going to go back in that same palette and I'm going to use this dark brown shade right here. And I'll put that in my crease. I'm going to use the color up front. I'm now going to create a wing using my NYX Epic Liner pen. I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Guys, so my lashes are on and now I'm gonna do my face. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply my concealer first, then I am gonna contour, and then I'll add my foundation. I've been seeing this technique for quite a while now, so I just want to try it and see the results. So as always, LA Girl put concealer in Fawn. And guys, if you don't have this brush, you better get that brush. This Real Technique brush, it's a setting brush, and that brush blends your concealer like no tomorrow. Do you see this?
How you doing?
Wow.
Oh my God! Wow!
I'm gonna take my NYX Wonder Stick contour stick in Deep Profound. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing, but yeah. Oh, whatever. Ooh, child. I honestly don't know if I messed up, but that's okay. We're just gonna pull through. Okay.
Oh, that ain't no problem. Huh? That ain't no problem.
I'm not gonna set my face with my Airspun loose powder. Now I'm gonna set my contour with the NYX matte bronzer in Deep Tan. taking my favorite blush by NYX in Bitch Babe. I'm gonna go back in my bronzer and I'm just gonna contour my nose. I'm gonna line my waterline with my Revlon Photo Ready eyeliner. And my favorite part, I'm gonna highlight my face using my all-time favorite Maybelline highlighter in Master Chrome. Oh boy. And it broke.
Need justice, real justice we need. Justice we need.
Now I'm gonna set my face with my e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist. So guys, with this look, I am gonna do a bold lip and I'm gonna do a nude lip. So first, I'm gonna do a nude lip first, and then I'll show you guys the bold lip. I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild pencil right here, and I'm just gonna line my lips. So I'm gonna use the NYX butter gloss, well, butter lipstick in sugar wafer. Then I'm gonna top it with this cool lip gloss in Grateful Heart. And then I'm gonna apply this clear lip gloss that I got from the beauty supply store. Okay guys, so this is the first option. I'm gonna snap a picture and see.
Many minutes later.
So I'm gonna apply this ultra matte lip by ColourPop with the Makeup Shayla collection in season 10. I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer and I'm just gonna clean up around my lips like. So guys, this is my finished look. Let me know in the comments which lip is your favorite with this look, if it's the red or the pinkish nude. Thank you guys for watching. I really enjoyed doing this makeup look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell so whenever I upload a video, you guys will be notified. Thanks for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye.